here we have number 12. If you're going to determine if the sequence is arithmetic or geometric, then find the next three terms. Okay, so let's see how the numbers are changing. It goes from -2 to -4 to -8 to -16. Wow, it looks like it's going pretty fast. So let's check for the common ratio. Okay, the common ratio's formula is the second one, so -4 divided by the previous one, -2. That gets me an R value of 2. Let's try it again. R is equal to the third, -8, divided by your second, divided by -4. R is equal to 2. Do you see how here it has the same common ratio? So we can say this is geometric. So to go to the next ones, they're always multiplying by 2. So to get to the next one, we also multiply by 2. This gets you -32. To the next one, we multiply by 2. So what's -32 times 2? That is -64. Then to the next one, we also multiply by 2. That gets you -128. Okay? Now, let's take a look at this one. It goes from 65 to 60 to 55 to 45. That should not be 40. Sorry. This should not be a 45. It should be, I think, hold on. Yeah, this is supposed to be a 50 for this to work. This needs to be a 50, okay? Because it's going very slow. So here we're gonna check for the common difference. So 60 minus 65, that gets me a 5 for the common difference. We could also check this again. 55 minus, you see the third, minus the second. So 55 minus 60, D is equal to, sorry, this should be, 60 minus 65 is a -5, right? 55 minus 60 is -5. So here, to go to each time, it's -5, okay? It's minusing 5 each time. That's why this should be 50. Then this should be -5. That becomes 45. Then it becomes -5, becomes 40. Then -5, it becomes 35. Okay? So there you go. This is how you could tell. Oh, if it's slow, we would say it is arithmetic. All right? You check for the common difference for the arithmetic. You check for the fast, the common ratio for geometric.